Don't collect my government money. That's bad. Do you know that they stole our oil where? You still came. You don't know that even as the governor is here, our governor himself, he needs support from us. Governor, there's something nobody has done I want to do. They never support good governors. I want to support it. Cameraman, follow me. For the good work you are doing, dear governor, a citizen is supporting your government. Cameraman, follow me now. Sir, you receive it on behalf of my family. Sir, let me think, governor. Supporting good governance. I'm a comedian. It's okay. Sir, you heard about MMM? Me, I'm a governor in my street. I'm a governor of the state. We are colleagues. We meet. Don't worry. Privilege, how much you collect? 1 million share? See what a governor does for his son. 2 million you enter your money. Just see, you are from outside country. I'm from Cross River. 2 million you enter your money. That 2 million I use 1 million naira. I just can't like that. I just open something for my government. Call them Ayade boutique. I not try. I collect another 100. I just give it to them. Today I don't say this line. Everybody they normal. For filling station, even police they queue. Police were supposed to try, but they queue with us. They know, boom, 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 boom. When they tell police work, now police they tell civilian esprit they come. There's a difference between I am rich, I am very rich, and I'm wealthy. Rich people, regular. Very rich, VIP. Wealthy people, see them. Wealthy people, they invest in the life of others, like Roboso. So that's true right now. I'm campaigning for you, sir. Recession hold me. So tell my papa, my father. Hello, please don't be shooting like that, please be careful. My father, open man, see me. He tell me, is that not your mate flying jet everywhere? I said, no, your mate born them. I don't know why you go burn this rubbish. Recession, it hit us. So tell, he get one time for this time for Nigeria. How many of you remember those times of Sosoliso, Bellevue, play trash, even NSAS? My dear people, when they come for Lagos, man, tell you NSAS. But when I say they thief things, collect things, good laws, they carry things for year. People they go psychiatry hospital, they thief 2 mad men. And they tell you something. For inside here, 9 recession. My father called me. They just say everybody will die for recession. They will give each and everybody will die. 1 million. My father called me. Where are you? I said at the MC wedding. He said, can you come to the mortuary now? Brothers and sisters, I go. When I reach, I see my papa. He lie down in the pool. I said, Daddy, what are you doing here? He said, now die, I do. I said, for how much? He said, 10 million naira for me alone. I hear 10 million. I said, Daddy, shoot for me. As I went like that, and I see my assistant pastor like that, this other side. I said, sure, assistant pastor, you do here? He said, I'm not the only one here. Shut up, senior pastor is over there. We there for that place, oh. Now India people come say, well. We will give the money your way. But as a question in India, we don't bury the dead, we burn them alive. Almost see where dead body they fly through windows. Waiting surprise me now my pastor, they work like this. I say, where are you going? He said, I'm walking in the spirit. My governor said, I don't go. Thank you.
Thank you.